Guys, today live with Jacob Walcott. I'll be reviewing this respirator. The GVS Elipse half mass, size small medium with replaceable filters. In the box you get the respirator, a Ziploc bag for storage and an instruction manual. This is the respirator. To open, replace filters. Filters are sold separately. Inside, small medium at the bottom, label for the top part of your head and the bottom. To put on now, you'll be to remove. This mask fits perfectly behind a auto dampening welding mask. I bought it for welding. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more videos. Jacob Walcott from Trinidad and Tobago.